Hey everyone, it's Simster. Welcome back to a new video. So I haven't been really posting anything, and I'm really sorry for that because I didn't have my phone for a little bit because I was on it too much anyways. So I just checked and I got so many comments, so many helpful comments. Thank you guys so much. And I checked and I have 5 subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. I can't believe this. I don't know. I thank you so much. Anyways, so today we are going to be doing the random genetics challenge, but not on a sim, on a, well, it is a sim, but on a dog or cat. So, can I change you, please? No, I need to add one. I'm being a total fail. Okay, so first we will do a dog and then we will do a cat. Okay, so we have to do everything, so we just have to click the randomize 3 times. So I'm so excited for this. So let's go. One, oh, 2, 3. Okay, not bad. Okay, now we have to go to the body. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, that's pretty good, I think. Okay, ready, guys? 1. Wait, let's look from here. 2, 3. Okay, okay. Okay, so now this is where it gets pretty weird. So I'm pretty scared. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a normal color. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, that is just odd. Do I have to do this too? I don't think so. Okay, now the fur. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's cute, I guess. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yay, that's actually strange but cute. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it says that she has a collar. He or she, is it a boy? Yeah, well, I mean a female. She. I don't know what's wrong with me. It says she has a collar on, but I don't see it. Okay, let's do. I do not do that. Okay, well, this is not ready yet. I don't think you can do so. I'll just close my eyes and I'll close my eyes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Olive. 1, 2, 3. Frost. Okay, this is Olive Frost, and hey, that kind of makes sense because like the white fur stuff. Anyway, so this is Olive Frost. She is. What is she? What is what? Ardale Terrier. Terrier. Whoa. I think I said that right. Hopefully. Okay, so now we are going to be doing a cat. And maybe if we even get to it, we could do this sim over here. So let's get started. And if you're new here, please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. And in the next episode or video, I am going to be continuing the Sims 4 millionaire. Rags to Riches challenge, and I just got a really helpful challenge. Challenge. What the? Wait, there's head shape and all that? Okay, well, let's go back to the dog. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, so I just got a helpful comment that helped me, and I'm really happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't have any words. Thank you so much again for 5 subscribers. I am so excited. I'm sorry. Let me just continue this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Well, I mean, that could have been worse, right? 1, 2, 3. Well, well, hopefully we get big eyes. We could do both eyes? Okay, well, 1, 2, 3. Okay, oh, I forgot we can't do paint mode. Okay, this is an odd looking dog. Anyways, moving on, we will do this gorgeous cat, which will probably not be gorgeous anymore after a few clicks. So, Oh my goodness! Sorry, a little notification. Okay, so let's do this. One, oh, two, three. Okay, pretty cute, pretty cute. She is just rolling around. Okay, one. Yeah, that's right. Stand up. Two, three. Okay, not bad. Oh, please don't. One, two, three. Well, it could have been worse. I mean, yeah. One. Oh no. Two, three. Okay, that's pretty normal. One, two, three. Well, it might have a disease or something. That's fine. It's a tabby cat, which is really cute. One, two, three. I mean, it looks like it has a disease, but other than that, it's pretty cute. Okay, one, two. That was a total change. Did you see that? Anyway, three. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Okay, here's where the cute stuff comes in. One, two, three. Sorry about that. I don't know what number this was, so I'll just do it one more time. Well, well then, it has, this weird looking hat and this kind of cute thing, so that's something. Anyway, so that is all this. Now let's go with the head shape and stuff. So, one, two, three. Okay. I can't really tell because the weird hat. One, two, three. See, I can't tell because of that hat, so I'm getting really frustrated. One, two, three. Not bad, not bad. I took so long, I'm like looking at it. One, two, three. Pink whiskers! That's perfect. Okay, one, two, three. Big eyes, but you know what? That's unique. Forgot we can't do paint mode. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I swear if it was burger. What? Josie Prieto. I can't say that. Prieto. Okay, now I'll close my eyes. Oh, I accidentally clicked out. Okay. Oh, please don't hurt me, dude. That's like the eyes of a... That was scary. Okay, so now we will look at them with all their poses. Hey everyone! Welcome back to this modeling show. So today we have Olive Frost in the house. She is a mixed breed. She is, we don't know yet because it says mixed breed anyway. That's all she wrote in her card. So she will be doing a couple poses for us, so let's just go. This is her sitting pose, all around, all around. A really wide head, but you know what? She is still beautiful. I don't know what to call this. Yes, yes, slay it, slay it. And this one. Adorable, adorable. Keep that pose, hold it. Yes. Thank you so much, Olive Frost. We will see you probably not in the next round. Okay, now we have Josie Prieto. I cannot say that word, but anyway, she is here all the way from Atlanta, so give her a clap. Yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So this is her regular pose. Yes, work that mane. You know, your weird little mane. Sit down for us. Yes. She looks like she has a disease, but you know what? That's fine. That's fine. I think it's a she. Let me check. Okay, good. I should have known. Yes. Okay. So, thank you everyone for watching that video, and if you liked it, please give it a please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe like I already said. Thank you guys so much again for 5 subscribers. I guess I'll see you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video and dealing with my weirdness. Goodbye!